Ciao to everyone!
Ciao!
We are going to prepare a typical Tuscany sea dish.
We are still in the Tuscan coast. Baccalà alla Livornese, codfish. Baccalà alla Livornese, codfish from the Tuscan coast. So we have the ingredients here. Baccalà that we already soaked 24 hours and we change water more is possible, something like each 5 hours. Parsley, garlic, flour and some grains, and our tomato paste, salt and pepper, and of course our oil. We start the preparation. So we take the codfish, we cut in pieces like this. Then we pass in the flour, we scroll a little bit the flour. I start to pan fry the codfish. So I make a little bit golden one side and golden the other side. Okay, I take out codfish. Now I add garlic, like whole piece. Some spicy. And some parsley, like whole pieces. And then the tomato. We are going to cook the tomato for the baccalà livornese. We let cook like 5-10 minutes and then we add our codfish and we let cook for another half an hour.
Grazie Pierpaolo for this video recipe. Now we are going to match this dish with a wine from the Castello of Poppiano, which is only 10 minutes walking from here. Okay, we already finished to prepare our cold fish Tuscany recipe, and here we have Gabriele coming from Poppiano Castle, and he introduced the best matching of this plate with the wine Poppiano Castle.
Hello, I'm Gabriele from Castello di Poppiano. I'm here to find the perfect matching for this fantastic cold fish with tomato sauce. For this very tasty dish, I would suggest Scorfano Rosso. Scorfano Rosso is also a name of a fish, an Italian name of a fish. And this wine is a red wine. So normally we used to match fish dishes with white wines. In this case, we have a very tasty fish dish with quite a big structure. So we can also match this with red wine. In this case, we are talking about a very light red wine based on Sangiovese. Very light alcohol content that is possible also to drink a little bit cool. So you put in the fridge just 1 hour before drink it, and is perfect with this spicy and tasty cod fish.
Thank you very much to Gabriele to have matched this excellent plate with this fantastic wine. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.